Hi friends, this is Rajeshwar Rayapati and welcome back to my channel Rayapati. Today we are going to discuss about a scenario that is posted by Mr. Tamil Kumaran P in my channel, Telegram channel, Rayapati YouTube channel. We'll be discussing this scenario. And before that, if you're working on Tableau and you have certain doubts where you are stuck somewhere, you can join this channel so that you can ask your doubts. You can directly ask me your doubts, as well as you can subscribe to my channel Try Party so that you will get all those videos whatever I make. Okay, coming to the current scenarios, the scenario he states is he has three different portions in a single pie chart. First portion is the top 10 customers, and the next portion is top 20 customers, that is from 11 to 30, and the final portion he needed as others. Okay, so this is the solution that I gave him, that is exactly present in my Tableau desktop here. Okay, Tableau public. So this is for the top 10 customers, this is top 20 to 30, and the rest all blue is others. Now how to achieve this? Now for this, first what we need is, I achieved the, see, in Tableau always there is more than one way to solve a situation or a scenario. So here my approach is with sets. So what did I do with sets? Now this is what I've already done. Let me do it again. Create set. In the set I'm moving for, okay, I'll name it as top 10 customers, or let me make first, I'll go for top 30 customers. Okay, here I'm going to this top symbol here, and by field top 30, right? That is what we want, top 30. By sales, whatever measure that you want, right? I'm taking sales. Okay, now we got top 30 customers. Again, I'm creating another set, and here I will name it as top 10 customers. And here in the top, again the same way, in by field top, here it is sales sum. Okay, now I have my top 10 and top 30 customers, but if you go to his requirement, he's saying top 10 customers is one bunch and 11 to 30. So from 11 to 30 is the second bunch that he's looking at. So we need to get this. We have 1 to 10 and we have 1 to 30, but we need 11 to 30. So for that, what we will do is just select these two, select these two sets and right click on that. And see, here you are seeing combined set. So let me click on combined set. Now, first set is top 10 customers. Second set is top 30 customers. Now, what do I want? I want 11 to 20. So now if I select this top 30 customers except shared members with top 10 customers set, now what am I left with? I am left with from 11 to 30. Right? Now I'll show you this. I'm clicking this. This will give me 11 to 30. So this will be my top 11 to 30 customers. Okay, now let me drag my customer name field here. Okay, now I'm dragging this. Where is this? Where do I keep my top? Yeah, top 10 customers. Okay, let me take this, or wait, let me remove this. Let me drag sales and let me sort them. Okay, now let me drag top 10 customers here. Now if you see, for the top 10 you have in and the rest all are out. So in my set I'm having top 10 customers, and let me drag top 30 customers. If you see top 30, I'll do one thing, I'll put index also so that you will know what I'm talking about. Let me make it discrete. Yeah, Now if you see, top 10 are from this set, right? Top 10 customers. And top 30, if you see, top 30 are from this set. Now let me drag top 11 to 30. Now if you see, from 11 to 30 I have customers in this set. So this set is having top 10 customers, this one, and this set is having top 30 customers, this one, if you see, and this 11 to 30 is having the customers from 11th customer to 30th customer. Exactly what his requirement is. If we go back to his requirement, I need top 10 customers, and in the next portion I need top 20 customers, that is 11 to 30. That is what we achieved here. Right? Now we got this, but what do he want? He wants that in a pie chart. Okay. So see, here saying in a single pie chart. So for that, let me go into the next sheet, and in analysis, I am going to create a calculated field stating top customers divided. Right. Now here, let me write a calculated field. If top 10 customers, then I am writing top 10. Else if, now next segment is not 1 to 30, it is 11 to 30. So we are talking top 11 to 30 customers, then top 11 to 30. Okay, the space I'll remove. Yeah. Else, what do he want? When it is else, he want it as others. So let me put others here. And okay, now let me click apply. Okay, now let me go back to my previous sheet, and let me drag this top 10 top cost divider and place it in here. If you see, from top 1 to 10 we are getting top 10, from 11 to 30 we are getting top 11 to 30, and the rest all you are getting it as others. Total the rest all customers you are getting it as others. So this is what he actually asked, right? So let me drag my top cost divide here, and let me drag my sales, or let me drag it here, doesn't matter. Now obviously others will be here because many other customers are there. Top 10 is this, top 11 to 30 is this, and others is this. Now let me go into show me, and let me select pie chart. Now I'll make it as entire view, and top cost divide I'm drawing into labels. Now it is saying this is top 10 customers values, and this is 11 to 30, and this is others. Now I'll drag sales, and let me put it on labels. And if you want, we can go in here, sales is now let me click on apply. Okay, now it is saying top 10. Okay, I have to edit it a bit. Top 10 customers sales is, top 10 customer sales is valid. Apply. Okay, see, top 10 customer sales is this, top 11 to 30 customer sales is, other customer sales is this. So this is what he was asking. Okay, so whenever, see, till here, like when I created sets and everything, having a individual set, whenever you are having a scenario like getting top customers or something, then sets will be very helpful. Okay, so because with these sets, what did we do? We first created top 10 customers, and then we created top 30 customers, and then you know that minus operation in sets, right? Top 30 minus top 10. It will give us from 11 to 30. Okay, sets are very powerful, guys, and sets with actions is to the next level. So try to get a comprehensive understanding about the sets, which will help you a lot. Okay, that's it for this video. And before leaving, As I always say, please do like, subscribe, and share my channel Rai Party, and also share it among your friends who are working on Tableau and are stuck on Tableau and are looking for some help. And also, if you have any doubts, or if you are a fresher, you are experienced, you have any doubt, and this is my channel, Raya Party YouTube channel. In the Telegram, if you search Raya Party YouTube channel, you will get to this. It will show you this, and then it will show you my channel. You can join here, and you can ask all your doubts. Okay, and all the members of my channel and all my subscribers, what I request you is, please do share this channel as this Telegram channel as well as my YouTube channel, so that it will reach more people, and more people come and join our group, so that we will face more scenarios which will help you understand Tableau much deeper, and when we can work effectively on Tableau. Okay, that's it for the today's session, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.